Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money home? Let's dive into how you can easily send money from Sendwave directly to Gcash. First, if you're new to Sendwave, download the app from your app store and create an account. You'll need to provide your phone number and some personal information for verification, so make sure you have your ID ready. Now, to send money, select the Philippines as your recipient country, then choose to add a new recipient. Here's where it gets exciting. Select mobile money and then choose Gcash. Enter the recipient's full name and, most importantly, their Gcash account number. Double-check the Gcash number because an error can cause delays. Type in the amount you want to send. Sendwave will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transaction. Keep an eye on that total. Next, choose your payment method. You can typically use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Select your preferred option. Review all the details on the confirmation screen: the recipient's name, Gcash number, amount, and fees. If everything looks correct, hit send. Boom! Your money is on its way. The recipient will receive a notification from Gcash once the funds are credited to their account. Encountering issues, Sendwave's Help Center has answers to common questions like transaction limits and troubleshooting tips. Also, transaction limits vary based on your location and recipient's account, so you can always check there. Now you can send money to your loved ones in the Philippines quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.